Hey guys, it's Shah here, the Tech Blogger, and in today's video we're going to be doing dictionaries in Python. Now this is pretty cool because, well, it's basically just lists, but it's just, you're just giving more attributes to your list, and they can be indexed, they can be variables, so you can change them. It's pretty cool. So let's just go over the basic. So we can call it a dictionary, or I'll just call it dictionary. And the way they're introduced is by using squiggly brackets like these. Which should be on your shift square brackets normally, and then you want to put these brackets inside like this, like so. I'm just creating the divisions beforehand, but obviously you can do it whenever. So what you want to do is over here, let's say we're talking about a phone. Let's say we're gathering data about a phone. So let's say in that dictionary we want to know the model, so that's model. And then you'd have another colon, and then you have more brackets, and then you want to put model, and then let's say it's a 5S, okay? And then let's say we want to know the manufacturer, and then after that we can have this, and then we can have Apple, and then we can have I don't know, rating, something like that, just for the sake of having something there. Rating 5 out of 10, I don't know, something like that, for all those Apple fans out there. Anyways, so let's just print the dictionary now. So if I print this, run this, save this, and as you can see, it's printed it all out. We've got model is 5S, manufacturer Apple, rating 5 out of 10. So as you can see, it's very nicely spaced it out for us, and it just looks very pretty, I guess. And obviously there is ways to change bits about it. And there's also ways to just specify what you actually want. So you can do like print dictionary dot get. So dot get is a way to get the information, and then you want to put this in brackets, and you can say model, I believe, and this should work ideally. As you can see, it worked. So if I remove the first line just to make it more clear. So we've got all this. Now let's say we want to get what model it is. Okay, so it's 5S. We want to get a 5S, and as you can see, we got a 5S because we asked the system to give us the model. And get is one way of saying it. There's also other ways, which I shall tell you. Which is pretty straightforward. I mean, you just do print, and then you want to do dictionary, and then you want to do in square brackets, and you can put the thing in. So this time I'll put in manufacturer. Hopefully I spelled that right. Okay, as you can see, it's worked. It's given us 5S, and it's given us Apple. And that's really it, guys. It's very straightforward. I mean, dictionary is a really good way of sorting out the work. Let's say you were working for a company and you needed to make a system that saves information. I mean, text file is brilliant as well, but this is also a very good idea, because the dictionary saves, or you can have it save, like, I don't know, model, information about it, what's the error actually, and is it fixable or solvable, etc. And that's really it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, comment, subscribe.